Good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing great. So, yesterday we did a comprehension paragraph, My Family and I. That was very interesting, and today we are going to learn some difficult words related to the topic. Okay, so but first, I want you people to read this paragraph again, and all of the numbers that you can find in the paragraph, just underline them with me. Now, my name is Saad. I am Pakistani. I am 6 years old. 6 is a number. I live with my parents, grandparents. 2. 2 is a number. And a sister. I am in class 1. Okay. I go to school in the morning. I eat my lunch. Okay. And then what is the next number? 1. I come back home at 1 o'clock. These are the numbers we can find over here. And now we are going to do one more question related to the paragraph. Read the unit again, circle the numbers you find in the text. So how many things you found in the text? How many numbers did you find in the text? Okay, obviously we found number 1. Okay, then we found 6 because Saad was 6 years old. Then we found 2. 2 was in the paragraph. Let's learn about these difficult words, vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. Study. To learn by reading or attending school. What does study mean? To learn by reading or attending school. What are you doing at this time? We are studying at this time. Okay, so we are learning something new. That means to study. Complete. To finish a task. Can you use the word complete in your sentence? Please complete your work. I complete my work at 8 o'clock. Toy. An object for children to play with. What is the meaning of the word toy? An object for children to play with. Can you make a sentence of toy or the word toys? Please do write in the comments if you know any sentence related to the word toy or toys. I'll be waiting for you. Now we are going to read the numbers in words. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. TWO2. Please repeat with me. 3. THREE 3. 4. FOUR 4. 5. FIVE 5. 6. SIX 6. 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. 9. NINE 9. 10. TEN 10. Okay children, you have to do an activity. Take your maths notebook or any rough notebook and try to write the numbers in words with the numerals, with the digits. Next, what we will do today, read the words below and learn their spellings. Also trace and copy them. What is the first word? Study. Spellings of study. 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 Lunch. Spellings of lunch. 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 You can also make different sounds for that. Lunch. Lunch. Play. 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 School. 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 Mother. MOTHER. What do you have to do in this question is you have to trace them on these words and you also have to write them one more time. You have to copy them also. Okay, let's do the next question that is very interesting. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Can you think of the words? What is the first word? Can you guess that? Home. Second word? Story. Story. Third word? Sister. Next is eat. Can you guess this word? Train. Very good. Now look at the next question. Okay, let's read that. One syllable words cannot be divided into parts and are pronounced in one go. For example, cat, book, etc. Okay, we can do an activity related to syllables that we can clap on the words. For example, cat, or you can tap. Cat. Okay, next is book. You are tapping once, it means it has one syllable. Two syllable words are pronounced in two parts together. For example, brother, brother, evening, evening. And there are some other words like toaster, toaster. Okay, sister, sister, story, story. So these are two syllable words which are divided into two parts, whereas one syllable words are divided only in one part. Okay, can you read the given sight words? We are learning to spell them and we use them in our daily life. These are known as sight words and we often see them. Can you read with me? To, and, he, you, I, the. Can you guess this word? Which sight word from above will come over here? To. Very good. What is this word? You. Very good. What is the next word? And. It looks like and. What is the next word? I. And what is the next word? He. So these are the words, sight words. Today we learned about some difficult words. Then we traced the words and we learned the spellings. Then we filled in the blanks. Then we learned some sight words. Okay, do not forget to subscribe my channel because daily we are going to be learning something interesting, something useful. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. Thank you so much.